certainly. Here are some interesting facts about the world. Earth is the only known planet to support life as we know it. It's often referred to as the blue planet because of its abundant water, which covers about 71% of its surface. The world's largest desert is not the Sahara, but Antarctica. While we often associate deserts with hot, arid places, a desert is defined by its low precipitation, and Antarctica fits the bill. The Great Barrier Reef in Australia is the largest living structure on Earth, visible from space. It's a complex ecosystem composed of over 2,900 individual reefs and 900 islands. Mount Everest is the tallest mountain on Earth, reaching a height of 29,032 feet, 8,849 meters, above sea level. However, its height can vary slightly due to geological activity. The deepest part of the world's oceans is the Challenger Deep in the Mariana Trench. It reaches a depth of about 36,070 feet, 10,994 meters. The Amazon rainforest is often called the lungs of the earth because it produces approximately 20% of the world's oxygen. It's also one of the most biodiverse places on the planet. Lake Baikal in Siberia, Russia, is the world's oldest and deepest freshwater lake. Estimated to be around 25 million years old and reaching depths of up to 5,387 feet, 1,642 meters. The Sahara Desert wasn't always a desert. It was once a lush, green region with a different climate and vegetation. There are more than 7,000 languages spoken around the world, with Mandarin Chinese and Spanish being among the most widely spoken. The International Space Station, ISS, is a space station orbiting Earth and has been continuously inhabited by humans since November 2nd, 2000. It serves as a microgravity and space environment research laboratory. Lake Karachay in Russia is one of the most toxic bodies of water on Earth. It's so polluted with chemicals that standing near its shores for just a few minutes can be lethal. The world's largest living organism is believed to be the Armillaria ostoii fungus, commonly known as the honey fungus. It covers an area of over 2,385 acres, 965 hectares, in Oregon's Malheur National Forest. The world's shortest war, known as the Anglo-Zanzibar War, lasted between 38 and 45 minutes on August 27th, 1896. It took place between the United Kingdom and the Sultanate of Zanzibar. The Earth's atmosphere is composed of roughly 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, and trace amounts of other gases, including carbon dioxide, argon, and neon. There are